Hello. So, are you getting the import error? Cannot import name vector index from LlamaIndex unknown location? Let's fix it under 60 seconds and import VectorStoreIndex to continue ahead. So this error happens because LlamaIndex introduced changes in its latest versions. What used to be directly available in LlamaIndex has now moved to LlamaIndex.core. If you are using code from older tutorials, blogs, or examples, it might reference the outdated module paths, which is one of the reasons why these errors take place. Now to fix it, let's simply copy this statement and then paste it here. And instead of importing from llama index, let's import it from llama index.core. So from llama index.core, import vector store index. Now let's run it. And as you can see, we have successfully imported vector store index and the error is now gone. So that's it. Error fixed in seconds. Now, if you're facing similar issues, check out our channel for more quick fixes regarding to Llama Index and then get its solutions as well. Subscribe to stay ahead and control AI before it controls us. Thank you.